Welcome back. In stage 2 of our Arduino traffic light control project, we're adding pedestrian crosswalk signs using LCD screens. These signs will display walk and don't walk messages based on traffic light status. We've also improved the logic so the don't walk message appears as soon as the opposite direction turns yellow, just like in a real intersection. We'll be reusing all of the materials from the stage 1 of this project and adding the 4 LCD screens. We simulate a 4-way intersection with synchronized traffic lights and pedestrian LCD signs. North and south, east and west traffic lights operate on opposite schedules. Each direction has an LCD screen that displays pedestrian messages based on the traffic light phases. The LCD screen uses I2C communication, which means they are connected to the Arduino using 2 wires, SDA, the data line, and SDL, clock line. These are connected to the SDA and the SCL pins of the Arduino. Each LCD also requires power and ground connections, VCC to 5V and ground to ground on the Arduino. The code uses millis for non-blocking timing and a phase variable to control the traffic light cycle. The LCD messages are updated using a helper function that checks for signals and refreshes each display. Each LCD screen requires a unique I2C address, for example, 0 by 20, 0 by 21, etc., which must be specified in the code so the Arduino knows which screen to send the message to. This allows each screen to display direction-specific messages. The traffic light logic is managed using a switch case structure. The switch statement evaluates the current phase, and each case responds to a specific traffic light configuration. This makes the code modular and easy to expand or modify. The don't walk message now appears when the opposite direction turns yellow, adding a realistic buffer before the green phase. Let's take a look at our code. We can see our switch code and then the different cases. We can also see the uniqueness of each screen. Let's start the simulation. Try customizing the message or adding icons to the LCDs. You can also simulate a countdown timer or add a buzzer for the final seconds. Share your ideas and code in the comments. If you're following along, consider picking up an Arduino Starter Kit. It includes all the components we've used so far and more to challenge your learning and experimenting. Check the description for links to the kits and components. That's it for Stage 2. You've added pedestrian crosswalk signs and improved the timing logic. In Stage 3, we'll implement night mode using a light sensor. We'll simulate nighttime conditions. Your traffic lights will dim or blink based on ambient light. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Arduino tutorials.